top healthy foods to eat every day. Salmon. This oily fish, known for its bright pink color, is rich not only in healthy protein but also in omega-3 fatty acids, which benefit both your heart and your brain. It also provides you with bone-building vitamin D. Still, serving up salmon every day would be a stretch for most people. Crunchy nuts provide an infusion of healthy oils, protein, and vitamin E. Plain yogurt. This creamy treat gives you a dose of probiotics, which contribute to better overall health. Yogurt is a nutrient-rich food that fuels your body with protein, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B12, and some key fatty acids that your body needs to stay healthy. Blueberries. Weighing in at 56 calories for 100 grams, blueberries also offer up a good dose of vitamin A and fiber.